The truth is, it is a simulation, and we told you that before you linked into the thing, and we told you it would wipe your memory and that you would feel like you are helpless in the sense that the thing you are right now, you don't know what the power that you wield. So you chose that, just so you know, and we said that in this moment we would do a thing where we alerted you of the fact that you had intentionally decided to dive into a simulation, making you limited. You're very powerful. You're Thor. In the human world that you're in right now, you're actually Thor. You're a powerful Norse god that has gotten sucked into a very temporary magic spell that isn't even that powerful compared to the powers in the world you come from. But right now you have become convinced that you are a limited identity in the mortal realm, which you requested, by the way. You said, I want to be an insurance agent, real estate agent, school teacher, psychologist, fireman, cop. I wanted to be a pilot, somebody who was a flight attendant, someone who worked in a museum, teacher, somebody who was a historian, a failed writer, a failed comedian. And you became this temporary thing, but the truth is you're a god and you're confused. Joe, welcome back.
Listen to me. All those people that are organized, they can come hang out with us. Give me a hug.
You don't want to give them a hug?
Relax.
Why?
Just relax. All those people are just people, man.
Like a white supremacist?
They're lost. Imagine if you gave a white supremacist 5 MEO DMT and let them sit on a couch, one of them brown suede couches. They'd take 3 big hits, and then as they're exhaling,
yeah. 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 Yeah.
And they get sucked into the center of the universe, and they realize there is no center because there is no boundaries. It's all connected. You're in a soup. You're in an infinite soup of ideas and biology and thoughts and prayers and love and hope and happiness and jealousy and anal sex, and it's all together.
Yeah.
With cartoons and pop music and cheeseburgers.
Yeah.
Just a bunch of different experiences all fucking stitched together in some
You're
sort
saying
of
there's a redemptive
macrame.
possibility.
And then the aliens land.